using properties of summation formulas to rewrite this without summation notation, and then we're going to take the limit as n approaches infinity of that new expression. Here are two of the main properties that we're going to be using for summation notation. There's a couple others. First of all, the 7 over n cubed, that's a constant, so we can move that out front like I did here. And we can expand this binomial to I squared minus 2i plus 1. And then you can kind of think of distributing the summation notation over each term inside the parentheses. And then we'll have 7 over n cubed times the sum from I equals 1 to n of I squared. That's what this is right here from this second formula right here. And we'll have sum from I equals 1 to n of minus 2i, move the constant out front, and replace the sum of I with n times n plus 1 over 2. That's this guy. And here's a property we didn't have listed. The sum from I equals 1 to n of 1 is just n. We're adding 1 n times. Okay, and you can see that so far we've got the same answer every time. And now what we want to do is take the limit of this expression as n approaches infinity. Probably easiest to see if you picture distributing this 7 over n cubed. So times this first term inside the parentheses, we'll have 7. If we expand or multiply these polynomials together, the first term is going to be 2n cubed plus, so we don't really care what the rest of them are, because for this limit right here, as n approaches infinity, the limit is 2 over 6, or 1/3. And so I've kind of pictured that here. For all the rest of these terms, we're going to have a denominator that has a degree greater than the numerator. So all of these limits for all of the remaining terms are going to be 0. And so as n approaches infinity for this first term here, you can picture the n cubes canceling out. 14/6 reduces to 7/3. There's the limit right there. And this kind of shows that that's where we're headed. Here I've let n approach equal 10,000. We're getting very close to 2.333. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.